So day 340, 12th day of quarantine. Welcome all you country clubbers. It is a beautiful sunny day in central Pennsylvania. Just going to take a little walkabout, see where the chickens ended up. They're now free ranged. They're in their coop, which I will show you now. Haha, it worked. Their coop that needs a little painting. Oh, there's one right there. I think that is Miss Sam. Birdies. Come on, birdies. It's always a good idea to have a call that your birds know it's time to come to them. I squat down like a little hobbit, tap my thighs, and here they come. This is all of our one Isa. Her name is Nugget, or as my wife likes to call her, Listeria. And then the rest are, what are you guys? Buff Orpingtons, right? The rest are Buff Orpingtons. They came out to say hi to me. They don't like the wind too much, and it is a windy day here in Pennsylvania. So they do enjoy their treats, and they enjoy the opportunity to bond with Dad. I guess they like my voice. I don't know why. Anyways, here's some chickens. Hey, Sam. That's Sam right there. Have no idea. None of the other ones really have any names. This is Sam. What's up with you? Oh, you were playing in the dirt, were you, huh? Yes, I know you need a bath. Or not, a dust bath. I got it. And one of their favorite pastimes is to run off to the creek. Once they know it's safe, they're going to run down to the creek. We'll run down with them. Why not? Hiking up their skirts, heading for tick country. Going to peck at whatever they peck at down here. Like they don't get enough food, but you know, they're going to do what they want to do. Birdies? Even down here, they'll look at me and say, "Do you really want us to come to you, Dad?" And then they come. You squat down, give them a little bit of attention, and they're happy. And then they'll go back to chickening. I have these guys, the 6 of these. These are the brave ones. And then there's 4, including Nugget, that stay in the coop. We'll head back to the coop. You can see right there again. Needs some painting. Needs a roof. Whoop. It's windy. They decided they don't want to be out there anymore. They don't like the wind. It's too noisy. Was going to show you Nugget and the other chickens, the chickens, but they decided to all come up here. Coop is not finished. Major fail on my part. For those of you who are interested, you should never purchase chickens before your coop is finished. Bad idea. Anyway. Easy there, killer. Inside of the coop needs a lot of work. A little bit of a breeze in here, but that's only because the door is open. You'll notice that there's some gaps. And if you look right here, there's a gap. That's because the coop itself is above the ground level. I am going to have to take and do some concrete work, but it costs money. I don't have money right now. Some other time, possibly. So here's their food. They're running a little low. They probably want a treat. This is their favorite chicken treat. Oh, don't do that. So you take a bit of their kibble, mix it up with some water, find a stick, swish it around, turns into like oatmeal. They love this. They'll eat this with reckless abandon. The apples are untouched. I don't know. They're chickens. They chicken. Stir it up till it's nice oatmeal. Sorry, Nugget. And they will come here and they will flock to this and they will sit here and gobble this down like, for some reason they think they don't get water. I don't know. Oh, don't. They'll spill it, whatever. I don't care. Your chicken. Eat it off the floor. Enjoy. Just one last little clip. Got the flag put up right next to the coop. Got our flag put up with a nice light up top, so we don't have to put any lights at the bottom. It's very nice. I want to thank Joe for putting this up here. Didn't maintain it. It was a bunch of rust when I got it, but a couple layers of paint, 100 feet of rope, and a flag. There you go.